Hello everyone! In this video, I would like to talk about the tools and softwares we use to run our 7-figure business. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina, known as Gina Travelina. I'm an entrepreneur since almost 4 years, and I'm here to teach you all the tips and tricks I learned during my journey. Let's get into it. So I'm the CEO of our company. I'm doing all the backend. And when we started out, I was doing everything until I realized, okay, I need some help. We have to do some hiring. But there are so many great tools out there which can save you a lot of work, especially nowadays with the AI technology, which can do copywriting for you, video editing, and you can save a lot of things. But I want to talk about the most important ones, which are non-negotiable to run a business. So the first and very important tool is monday.com. There's Asana, there's Trello, but all these softwares do the same. They help you organize and manage different projects, your teams, and how we suggest to set it up. It's like you create a board for all divisions of your business. For example, we have operations here on the left side. We have under project management, goals and executions with all the tasks. We have recurring tasks, meeting notes, and then we have an SOP library where all our standard operating procedures are. And then if you go down, we have HR, hiring and applicants, client success with all our products, then sales, we have marketing, video content encyclopedia, what, for example, for our video editors need to do, and then they can paste the link. How it works is that you can assign who's the owner of the task, then what's the due date, what's the status, is it a goal or is it a task, and if there's a link, you can paste the Google Drive link here. So this is a very useful. And then once the task is in progress or needs review, you just move to the right board, and once it's done, then it goes to completed task. So this is a key element to manage a team and to check what everyone is doing. And yeah, when it's not put into Monday, probably it doesn't get done. So this is really important. Another really important tool what we use is Slack, where we communicate with our team members. I get notifications on my phone so I don't miss anything. And the same way you have in Monday, you can set up different channels here. You can set up even automation, so booked calls. This is an automation. All the time someone books a call, it comes to this channel. And then that's how we communicate with our different agencies, team members, and all our departments. So we have here, for example, appointment setters, social media, Instagram. This is my VA, tech and automations, ads, appointment setter, client survey. So there are all these different channels for different team members. And yeah, we used to use WhatsApp at the beginning, but it's way easier. And then you can also pin, for example, documents to the top. Here there are some Drive documents, and you can create threads, so you can find conversation way more easily. We tried so many different softwares, and all you need after you have Monday, you have Slack, then you need something for email marketing and site building and a CRM. So this software, Elite 360, is like Go High Level. It's an all-in-one software, and it connects even to your social media channels, to Facebook, to Messenger, and it has amazing features. It has even its own calendar, and then here's the CRM part. You see all elites here. Then it can do email marketing. So we used to use ActiveCampaign before for sending our newsletters, and now it can create automations, and also it can build website. How amazing is that? So you don't need to go to Kajabi or Shopify or whatever to build a website. You can do all in one platform. And then, so yeah, there's funnels, website, that you can create forms, surveys. Yeah, we used to use JotForm for forms, so it eliminates so many different softwares. And yeah, also Zapier, because Zapier is the one which connects two softwares. For example, if someone books a call in Calendly, and then we would connect it to ActiveCampaign to go to our email list. But now everything can be done in one software. So I would totally recommend it. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or any other cool tools you know about. So the softwares which I was talking about is Zapier, which is connecting two softwares. For example, you're using Calendly to book a call, and then once they book a call, then you use ActiveCampaign for email marketing. So how it works, Zaps is pretty much the connections between the softwares. So I will show here how to create a new Zap. So let's say I want to go to my Calendly. First, before you use the software, you will be connecting your account already to Zapier. So I want, when someone books a call, so it will be invite created in Calendly. Then let's go continue, choose an account. So my account is already connected. And then it will give you a test trigger and show probably your last booking. And then you click continue. And then what I want to do, I want to use ActiveCampaign, choose an event, create or update contact. So once someone books in my calendar, I want Zapier to create a new content in my email marketing software. So you click continue, and then it asks you which email list you want to add it to. So I have all these email lists created already in my ActiveCampaign. So I want to add it to credit to millions booked calls. And then what you have to do, you have to match the fields with the Calendly fields. For example, it says email address here. So you just choose the right one. And then I think there's full name. And then we have phone number. And then so you can match all the fields, add text, whatever you want to add here. And once you're ready, you click continue, and then it will do a test trigger again. And then on the bottom you see ready to publish Zap. So once it's published, the two softwares are connected and your Zap, your connection is active. And don't forget to name your Zap. It's a really useful tool, and you don't need to be able to do programming to connect these two softwares. Another really important software is to be able to send contracts, because once you have a sale, you should have a contract on file. You should consult with your lawyer, or you could go to Rocket Lawyer. They have contract templates, and we use HelloSign. There's also DocuSign or PandaDoc. There are different ones. What you can do, you can upload your template. So for example, here's Credit to Millions mentorship agreement, and then once someone buys our product, they will get our contract automated, and then they can do electronic signature, and everything is done, so that you don't have to do anything manually. How cool is that? So these are the most important tools we are using. There are so many different ones. You will need Zoom, and as I said before, you will need Zapier to connect different softwares. But if you move to an all-in-one software like Elite 360, then you can eliminate a lot of tools. And now we are also testing a lot of AI softwares because, for example, ChatGPT, I'm sure you heard about it. It can write for you newsletters, blogs, captions with AI technology. And there are so many different other ones, but I will create a different video for that. So for this is the main tool you can run a 7-figure business with. And let me know if you have questions or suggestions or which softwares we use. I'm really curious. Let me know in the comments.